Hello, good day everyone. I'm Tevs. Welcome back to this channel. The next one we will repair is a Samsung 50-inch Smart LED TV. Model UA50070002G. It turns on, but a multifold vertical line appears on the screen. I'll show you how to fix it. If you are interested in electronics and want to learn how to repair TVs and other electronic gadgets, you've came to the right channel. So be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a video like this. So let's get started.
Pero, ang nakakatawa kasi, instead na sinagot dito, itong danger. So usually don't.
A multiple bar lines problem is a CKV signal panel problem. This T-Con has no issue with the vertical line. It is the LCD panel itself that has the problem. But we can fix it by disconnecting the CKV signal going to the panel, either on the right side or the left side. But this T-Con is not like the other. If you disconnect the flat wire going to the panel, it will still show half the image and you will determine which side has the bad CKV signal. This T-Con is not gonna work with that method. As you can see, the panel does not show any image. Let's trace where the CKV lines are connected on the flat wire connector. Let's set our multimeter to continuity mode. Beep means it is where the lines are connected. Seems they are connected on this group of lines. This group of line is also connected on this side accordingly. The LC1 and LC2 is also on this group of lines. Let's cut a piece of paper exactly to this group of CKV lines, including LC1 and LC2. Let's insert the paper between the flat wire and the connector on the path of the CKV-LC1 LC2 group lines. You can also use tape to block the path of the CKV-LC1 LC2 group lines. No image when the CKV LC1 and LC2 are blocked. Let's test the VGH while the CKV is blocked with paper. VGH has no voltage when the group of CKV LC1 and LC2 is blocked. Let's remove the paper and I will show you the right way to block the CKV group lines. We usually block all these lines in the other type of T-con and it will work. But this T-con is not gonna work that way. When blocking the CKV line of this type of T-con, leave one line to the CKV group lines. As you can see, the image appears and the vertical lines are gone. What is this line? Let's trace where it is connected. The line is connected to this test point where the DC to DC is located. There is no label for this test point. I think it is the enable of the DC to DC buck converter. They put it on the connection of the flat wires going to the panel, so if the flat wire is disconnected, the DC to DC will turn off. The image will not appear while the flat wires are disconnected. So the disconnecting of the flat wire tracing method is not going to work with this T-con if you don't know the procedure.
A few moments later.
The TV now is working amazingly. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed and learned something from this video. You can help this channel by liking, subscribing, ring the notification bell so you never miss a video like this. Once again, this is Teps. See you again next time. Bye for now.